Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to withdraw money from Cryptoguru App. So let's start. Well, as you can see, I'm here on Cryptoguru and you can see that I have this balance on my account. But first, this is no real money, so that is important that you know. Now, if you want to withdraw the money, well, that's impossible as well. If someone says to you that you can withdraw the money, well, that is lie or scam. Guru is using for trading, and you can practice here the trading. So it's a good platform for be prepared for real trading. So that is the way to do it. Guru helps you to do that practice. So if someone I told you says that it's real money, that is not true. So that's the way to do it. I hope this information helps you. So don't try to withdraw the money because that's impossible. So only practice with Guru app and try to be better in trading platform. So guys, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.